and you don't look like you're wearing a ton of makeup. Your face is looking flawless and you're not even wearing a ton of makeup. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today for you, I have a drugstore from start to finish, guys. Everything drugstore used. No, everything used was drugstore. Okay, so yeah, we started off with, that's not it. That's not it. I did not remember to prime my face before we started, so that's the only thing that's not drugstore. But I did use this Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation, which was amazing. So you're gonna see that in the video, and that's what this face looks like. Like, my face is all y'all. My face is all drugstore products. You could go to Target and buy all these things, except maybe like the spray that I used, and what else was from Ulta? Morphe, my $5 Morphe brows. Now, I don't love my brows, right? They're not my favorite brows. If I had to think of a brow, this wouldn't be my favorite, but they're still pretty nice. So everything was drugstore today. And I told you at the beginning we would have a special guest, and the special guest is my nephew. Okay? He is literally, he talks to me every single day. Every single day we're on the phone. I don't even know how many times a day. So he wanted to come on, and I wanted to introduce you guys to who I'm always talking to, who I'm always laughing with, and it is my nephew. So I'm so glad that you guys get to meet him. We are technically like brother and sister because we're 9 years apart. So I feel like he's literally just like my brother. So yeah, that's it. That's it, boo. Period.
That's your fans and everything.
Listen, okay. So today I have on this, what is this called? Magnetic lashes, guys. This drugstore foundation look, or this drugstore look, is going to save you time. It's going to save you some money. You don't have to spend a ton of money. I'm going to make sure that when I do my voiceover, I put in how much everything cost. And yeah, how much, well, from where I got it. Like if I got it from Target, I'll put in how much it cost. And that's really it. These lashes, I wasn't expecting to like them. They don't look like too much. And I struggled a little bit with the liner, and you'll see me with that in the video. But I really didn't. It doesn't look too bad. This highlight that you see, Wet n Wild. Precious Petals, little. Okay. Drugstore. Go to the drugstore. Okay. So, yeah, that's it. I mean, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy this look. Lastly, and not leastly. Lastly, but not the least. This hair. This hair is Camilla. It is my Spanish curly wig, right? Something else that is so major right now that's happening. I will be 36, yes, 36, on June 4th. Do I look 36? I'm 4 years from 40. I'm 4 years from 40. Next week, y'all. Anyway, sorry. So, I am having a 36% off sale. Go shop from June 3rd to June 5th. You can shop all year round, actually. On June 3rd to June 5th, from 12 a.m. to 12 a.m. if you want to get a deal on bundles and get a custom wig made. This one is actually not a custom wig. This is a pre-made wig, which is still on my site, and her name is Camilla. So, you know, I might just throw in a sale just because. You never know. You never know, guys. Go on my site, summersbeautyworld.com, and you can shop hair right now. Hair, bundles, blonde bundles, which are 613 bundles on my website. All that. Go look. Yeah, so I think that's it. Hold up.
You have to let me do it. You have to let me do it.
Okay, so do it. Go.
So guys, if you like these great makeup tutorial tips, as well as hair tutorial tips, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to
Summer's Beauty World.
That's right.
Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm starting off with a fresh, clean face. And guys, I did my nails myself. These are my gel nails, and I'm so happy. I felt like a whole person again with my nails done. So yes. Now I am starting off with putting this Carmex on my lips because my lips felt dry. Like always, like I said, I just dipped my whole lip in that, I don't know what that's called, the balm tube, I guess. And I'm starting off with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Tan 45 and placing this all over my lid. This is just me priming my eye. In this entire tutorial, you're going to basically see me just having the prices for everything and where I've purchased everything. So again, the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, I think this was like $5.39 at Target. The entire makeup look besides 2 products is under $10. So this is an entire under $10 makeup look besides 2 products. And if I break one down, technically it could be under $10 a piece, but it just comes together. So I guess that's why it's over $10. So yeah, I'm just taking a beauty blender and blending this into my skin. As you already know, it takes me like 10 to 15 minutes just to make sure that everything is blended out. So I make sure it's blended really well. And I'm just using a regular, I think this is a Real Techniques, which is also cheap, beauty blender that I'm using on my face to just blend everything in. And then I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Foundation, the matte and poreless. I wear the shade 355 Coconut. This was my first time trying it ever, so this is like a first impression on this foundation, and I would like to say that I really love it. I think the foundation was flawless. I wasn't sure if it was going to match my skin, but then I realized, I was like, oh, this is pretty perfect. So my skin looks so good in this video. I didn't realize this foundation is literally, I think like $5.39 is what the price was at Target. I placed this all over my face, and you couldn't tell me that this wasn't a high-end foundation. Like, there would be no way for you to tell. I love my MAC, I love my Fenty, I love my Lancome, but this foundation for $5.39 or 93 cents did the trick. It was amazing. So I put more concealer under my eye. I'm not sure why. I guess I just wanted to brighten my under eye a bit. I didn't really need to do this step. This is not a necessary step, so just remember that when you're putting this on. I just wanted to make sure that my eye was a little bit brighter, but I'm going back in with that Maybelline Fit Me in the color Tan 45, placing that under my eye, and then I'm going to set my face with my Maybelline Fit Me powder, which I always use all the time. So this step is pretty much what I normally do. Now, for some reason in this step, you see me, I blended one side in with the Beauty Blender and one side in with this brush. I don't know why. I actually prefer this brush over the Beauty Blender when I'm blending my under eye concealer with, or setting it with powder. But yeah, anyway, moving on to my contour. Again, this is not necessary. This is from CoverGirl. This is the Spectrum foundation powder, and I'm just placing this on my cheeks. Now, this is the product that was over $10. It was $15, but it comes with the magnetic lashes and the magnetic liner. So it took me so long to get this right. I do not normally use the liquid liner. I can use it, but I was struggling. Like, it dries pretty quick, so it was drying down, and then I had to redo it, and then I didn't like the way my wing looked. It was looking like, I don't know, like a curved wing, and I wanted it to be super straight and sharp, and it was just not coming out the way I wanted it to. So I just kept going higher and higher with my wing, and then I was like, all right, fine, it's gonna work out. I took some concealer here, and I'm just trying to clean out the edge. Again, I wanted my wing to be super sharp. Then I took a a makeup remover wipe, and I tried to clean that up, and then I messed up the top of my wing somehow, and I got something on it, so I'm taking that off. It was so many issues with this liner, literally. So after I tried to fix it for the 15th time, it's not perfect, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna leave it alone because I was getting frustrated, and it's fine. It was gonna be fine. So again, this just goes to show, like, at the end I ended up loving the results, but sometimes there are going to be times when you're working through things and it's just not what you want. Now, these magnetic lashes were so amazing. I put it on first right now, and I was like, okay, this is not really doing anything, and then it snapped, and I was like, oh snap. So it literally just attaches itself onto your eye and like stays there. It's kind of crazy. So I do recommend this, even if you want to do something like every day. You do not need to put the liner this thick. This is just what I wanted the look to look like, but in reality, if you did like a thin line and just put these lashes on, it would be so simple for an everyday look. So yeah, I'm just placing this liner on my my lash line, I guess, and then I'm gonna go in with my other magnetic lash and place that on after this is complete. And I was like, okay, let me see what this looks like. It just snaps it right on into place, and it was perfect, guys. I was so proud of myself. Seriously, I was very proud. So I would recommend, I mean, if I could say anything, I would say definitely get these lashes. For $15, you get the liner and the lash. So again, if you broke those 2 products down, under $10 a piece. So now we're going into the foundation. I'm just using, I think this is my Maybelline Fit Me powder. I'm placing it on my lid and then placing it on my face. I just removed my little, elastic band on my head to tie my lace down. And I'm moving in with this Morphe $5 brow pencil. So I don't necessarily love this brow pencil. It was not my favorite. If I had to choose a brow pencil, I probably would not choose this one. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I like the Benefits Brow because I feel like it's creamy, and this one is a little bit stiffer, almost like waxy. That would be the difference between the two. It's completely up to you and what you prefer. I ended up making it work after I cleaned it up with concealer, but I didn't necessarily love this one. It could also be that I think it's too light for my complexion. So maybe if I went in with a darker shade, it might be better, but the formula of this actual brow pencil was just not my favorite. So I cleaned it up with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, of course, and I'm just going in with that and cleaning it up under both of my eyes. And then I'm just going to blend everything out. This is a Real Techniques brush. I think this is I don't even know, buffing brush probably. Real Techniques buffing brush, and I just blend everything out to make sure it looks seamless. Now, moving on to set my brows. This is just literally clear mascara, and I place that on my brows to set them. Going on with this e.l.f. blush palette that I've had forever, and placing the two darker colors on my cheeks, and then going back in with my foundation powder because I was too bright. Now, this is my lovely Precious Petals $5 highlight that I used, and I'm super bright right now. And then I'm going in with my NYX. This is Urban Cafe lip liner. I love this lip combination, Urban Cafe lip liner and London, the NYX Matte Soft lip cream. This combination, honestly, is so brown girl friendly. It looks so pretty. I love the combination. I actually got this from someone, I forgot the name, but this combination looks so good. I just love the combination. It's the best. All right, now moving on with my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. This is Sweet Peach. It smells so good. And now it's time for my hair. So I'm just using water in the spray bottle, and then I'm spraying this all over my hair. I am going to do this for a while and just actually wet my hair. Not soaking wet, but just make it wet enough where it's like a little bit saturated. So I placed this on both sides of my hair. Now I'm taking this argan oil mousse. This was like under $5 at Walmart, or maybe $6 at Walmart. I placed this through my hands, and I just basically put it in my palms and then like slap it on, but not slap in a hard way, like a gentle slap, I guess, or a gentle slide. There we go, slide it on. So then I take the mousse and I'm just running it through my fingers and making sure that I define my curls. Anywhere that I see any type of frizz or anything like that, I'm taking this mousse and just defining it. And I go onto the ends of my hair and I put the mousse on. Then I am going to saturate it and again just run my fingers through my hair gently. And in the end, it looked really good. It was super defined. I loved it. So again, this is Camilla. This is on my site. Go shop for her now. And this is me and my nephew. We are finished. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.